Hello students, today I want to teach you this exercise 5C. Okay, so we will start with the problem. The first one, it is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. So I will be doing a few sums and the remaining I hope you will be able to do it. Okay, so this is the first sum, 42 into 0. Okay, so we are multiplying 0 to a number. We know any number which is multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. Okay, so the answer will be 0. To any number when you multiply 0, the answer will be 0. Now we come to the second one. Okay, so what is that question? 592 into 1. So this is our identity number. Whenever we multiply any number with 1, the answer will always be the same number. The identity is retained here. The number will have its identity. So this is the answer for the second one. Now let us come to the third problem. Okay, what is that question? 328 into 573 is equal to dash into 328. So here what do they want to do? They want to change the order. Okay, so first it was 328 into 573. Now they want to keep 328 at the second place. So what should come in the first place? 573. So which property is this actually? It is commutative property. And we know that when we multiply numbers, even the order is changed, the answer, the product does not change. Like we know 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are is also 6. So commutative property holds good for multiplication. Okay. Now, so the fourth sum is for your homework. So fourth sum you have to do on your own. This is similar to this sum. Okay. Now let us come to the fifth one. What is the fifth question? 32 into 15 is equal to 32 into 6 plus 32 into 7 plus 32 into dash. So this is about distributive property. So here the 15 is split into 6 and 7. Okay. So if I see 32 was common here, isn't it? 32 is common. So what should be inside the bracket? 32 into, so here I have 6, here I have 7, and here what should come? So that this again becomes 15. Okay, so our sum should be 15. So they have split into 6 and 7. Now you know 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. So what should come? 2 more for 15. 6 plus 7 plus 2. That would be 15, isn't it? So our answer is 2. So I have to write here 2. Did you understand? Next, I think the next one you can do on your own. Next one, the sixth one is for your homework. Now let us try the seventh one. Seventh question. Okay, that is 83 into 54 plus 83 into 16 is equal to 83 into dash. Okay, so we see 83 into, this is given. So what I should do, 83 is common. It was distributed to 54 and 16. So I can put it separately, 83 into, now what is that? 54 and 16 are here, no? And sign is plus. So I will write 54 plus 16 together. So what is 54 plus 16? 54 plus 6 is 60, 60 plus 10 is 70. So I will get 83 into 70. So here I will write 70. Okay. And then I can multiply 83 and 70 and I will get the answer. So if I multiply, so I will get 5810 is the answer. Okay. Now let us try the last one also, 8th sum. So just keep my book here. Okay, this is the 8th sum. 98 into 273 minus 75 into 273. So how will you do it? You will take 273 common. So I put 273 here and I will write 98 minus 75. So this is for you to solve and you can write the answer. Okay. So this was about exercise 5C.